wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best automatic soap dispensers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9, a simplehuman sensor pump may cost a bit more than many similar devices, but it also comes with an 8-ounce lavender-scented soap sample, so you can begin using it right away. Plus it has a wide opening that makes it easy to fill. It's equipped with a drip-free silicone valve and offers a split-second response time, but it goes through batteries quickly. At number 8, while the Gojo foam was designed primarily for use in commercial restrooms, such as those of a restaurant, gym or airport, there's no reason you can't install this rugged and reliable machine in your own home or workplace. It complies with ADA regulations and includes a satisfaction guarantee. However, it requires specific refill bags. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Lysol No Touch helps to wash away the multitude of germs that your hands can pick up each day. It's simple to set up by inserting the manufacturer's cartridges, which are sold separately in scents like grapefruit, cucumber, and aloe vera. It operates quietly and is CE safety certified. Note that the colors may vary. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for automatic soap dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, built to last, the Alpine wall mountable is perfect for public facilities, office break rooms, and other high-traffic locations. It comes in either white or grey and holds up to 34 ounces of liquid, so you won't need to add more very often. It's got an easy-to-see fill level and promises a straightforward installation. It's heat and impact resistant. Moving up our list to number 5, the energy-efficient Wimaha infrared can run for up to a full year on a single set of 4 AAA batteries. Its simple, elegant shape will fit in with any kitchen or bathroom decor, and it has 3 settings that allow you to choose how much liquid it sends out. It's equipped with a handy on-off button and is made of sturdy ABS plastic. It's available in black or white. At number 4, it may not be much to look at, but the lantoo adjustable can help save you money by reducing the amount of product you need to use. Simply dilute your favorite liquid soap with 3 parts water, pour it into the reservoir, and it'll convert it into a soft, cleansing foam. It features a large 16-ounce capacity, LED indicator lights, and adhesive for wall mounting. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Glamfields touchless has a sealed battery compartment, so it's safe for use even around a kitchen sink where water splashes as dishes are cleaned. It's equipped with an intelligent infrared sensor and is designed to last for up to 40,000 uses. It comes with a smudge-proof coating and offers 2 dispensing volume settings. The initial setup process is minimal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for automatic soap dispensers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the versatile Purell ES6 kit offers multiple installation options, as it's equipped with both adhesive and a set of screws and anchors. It comes with 1,200 milliliters of fresh-smelling hand wash that's enriched with conditioners to help keep your skin soft. It's USDA certified bio-based and uses a gentle dye-free soap formula. Refills last for up to 1,500 uses. And taking the top spot on our list, the Secura Premium Touchless has a 17-ounce capacity, and at its lowest product volume setting can be used more than 560 times between refills. This choice is also suitable for dispensing shampoo, body wash, and all kinds of lotions. It's equipped with keyhole slots for wall mounting and available in silver or chrome. It's backed by a 2-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for automatic soap dispensers, or simply click beneath this video.